7mm to take this off and to loosen that from there. And this, so you don't break it, just squeeze this and pull it out before you take this piece off. This little thing right here, it's just shaped like that. So when it's like this, it locks in there. But when you lift this up, when you lift that up like that, it goes parallel with this and you're able to slide it off. If you do it too much like this and this is still connected, you're gonna break something. You could either break that like me, or you could break this tube. Mine was already cracked because I could tell by all that moisture right there. Because where it sits right there, and that's exactly where it was leaking. So when I took it off, it just broke off the rest of the way. So I put some JB weld on there. Let's see how that holds up. Little lock washer, but it came with this and this. So I'm gonna put that in there. Then this goes inside there. And I'm gonna take this off. There it is. Yes. All I gotta do is tighten it. Alright, I got it all the way around the way it's supposed to be. And then down there, I put zip ties. That's the only one I haven't done yet, so I plan on just stick it in there and turn it clockwise. That way it should fall into place. Make sure the belt's right on the other pulleys. And now getting tougher towards the end. It actually worked. The zip ties held the belt in place, and